Yeah, wow, video in black and white. Yeah, I gotta figure out what's up with my phone. I don't know. Well, yeah, was that a struggle or what? So we actually cut away and chipped away for the last 2 hours, getting all that out, put it all brand new. That was fun. It was definitely fun. Oh yeah. It's done now. Oh yeah. See, like, old one. We did temp fix. JB Weld every time, bro. Works. It actually helped. Yep, I put that boiler in. Steam. Beautiful. I put this in too. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Call Bamm. Have a great day.